So we're going to start out right here. We're going to put dots on each corner. And I'm going to use my ruler and I'm going to draw lines, faint lines, and connect these dots. Now I'm going to find the center between these two dots on the bottom, and I'm going to find the center between the dots in the center as well. Now we're going to draw a straight line from the bottom line, from the middle dot to the top dot. And doing that, we will then find the center as well. And we'll put another dot. While we're at it, we'll find the centers for row 2 and 4, and we'll just put little hashes. Now we're going to draw a straight line across for our third row, straight line across for our second row, and a faint straight line across for our fourth row. We're going to put dots where those marks touch. I'll then take my roller and I'm drawing a second triangle from the center to those outer little dots, and where those lines touch we'll put another dot, and we'll put X's .
You had one job.
Just the one?